For this week's Ask Away, we're talking about weather models. An anonymous viewer wants to know, what is the main difference between the American and the European model? So we'll talk about it. We look at a lot of weather models in any given day to build out our weather forecast. First, we'll talk about what we call our global weather models. Here's a subset of them right here. The GFS model, which is the American model. We also have the ECM-WF, which is the European model. Canadian model, the UK-MET model is the British version. And we also have an American-based climate forecast system model. This is used for those summer outlooks, those winter outlooks typically. Now, getting into the more nitty-gritty of things here are high-resolution models. These are used for severe weather forecasting, your snowfall forecasts. We look at these on a short-term scale. We have the HRR model, which is the high-resolution rapid refresh model. The NAM 3K, 3 kilometers. It's more of a high-resolution version of the NAM. The RAP model, which is just rapid refresh, and then the FV3, which is a rather new model. It's based off of the GFS, a finite volume cubed sphere. That's a lot of words. You don't have to memorize it. Just giving you a sense of all the models that I look at each morning to give you a forecast. Getting into the specifics of this question, the difference between the American and the European model. Well, the American is a lower resolution model based on its lower computing power. This allows it to have all data free to the public. You can look it up at any point in any given day. The European model has a higher resolution because it has more computing power along with it. It is more expensive to operate, so only some data is free to the public. Other data you have to pay for to help fund how much money it does take to run the European model. Both of these are a global scale. They update 4 times a day, and they give you a 10-day forecast. So it is very helpful in building out a forecast each and every day. So that's your answer to the question. Thank you for sending in that question. If anyone else has any topics related to weather or science, please send it in to weather@kimt.com, and I'll answer it in the coming weeks.